guys, it's Alex the Flipped Out Gymnast, and today we're back in the library for another bars tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the back hip circle and the forward roll dismount, some slightly more advanced bronze moves. I hope you enjoy and make sure to watch till the end. We're going to start off with the back hip circle. For your back hip circle, you're going to start off in your front support. Then you're going to do a nice powerful cast. And then you're going to lean backwards and go all the way around the bar until you're back in front support. You're going to need to make sure that you have a straight body and that you have a nice powerful lean. So once you cast back and your legs go forward after your cast, you're going to go right into it. So big cast, and then once your legs go forward, go back. Then, some drills for your back hip circle are going to be, you're going to cast and lean back and try and get halfway there, just to practice going back in the beginning. So cast and lean back to get halfway there, but not all the way up into your front support yet. And then another drill for your cast is going to be for your cast position. You're going to lay down on the ground and put your hands a bit above your knees, and then hold them above your legs, and then bring your legs up. This will help you with your cast position, because this is the position you want to hit while you're rotating. And then you can try your cast again after you've tried those drills a couple times. So cast back and go around, and you should be able to go all the way around. It takes a lot of practice. Next, we're going to do the forward roll dismount, which is a nice, simple dismount, and it's one of the higher level bronze bar skills. What you're going to do is you're going to be in your front support and then do whatever you want, and then when it's time to dismount, instead of doing the cast dismount, you're going to lean forward, and then you're going to rotate your hand, and then come down and end in a chin up. And then your bar should be higher normally, so you'll be able to hold your legs up above the ground for a moment before straightening your arms and landing on the ground. Make sure to go nice and slow. And a drill for this one would be putting your bar near a wall and then walking your legs down the wall as you come down, like walk right there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned how to do your back hip circle and your forward roll dismount. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Facebook page, which should all be under the same name, and I also have a Snapchat. So make sure to look for me on all those platforms to see more videos. I also have shorts. Thank you so much for watching.